Okay. First impression kay CD rin. So this high touch inspired version of Club de Nuit Intense Man. Hindi ko alam kung EDT. So, pinagandaan ko tong first impression na to, kaya may nag-order tayo ng CDNM EDT, although alam ko na yung amoy nun kasi meron ako nun dati. And Club de Nuit limited edition na decan. So, hindi ko kasi alam kung EDT ba to or EDP or Parfum or Extrate. Hindi ko alam kung anong kinapili namin. So, titignan natin ngayon. So now, syempre, automizer check as always. Bang. Okay. Okay. Okay, men. Hindi ko alam kung mag-agree kayo sa akin, but this is closer to Club de Nuit limited edition rather than the EDT Club de Nuit Intense Man. Yes, ramdam ko yung smokiness, yung leather dito. Kasi sa Club de Nuit Intense Man, hindi mo mararamdaman yun, guys. As in, it's just a pineapple bomb. So, ito yung EDT ng Club de Nuit, guys. So, side by side na yan. Okay. Yeah, sobrang hint lang yung leather and smokiness dito. Pero kay CD rin ng high touch, nararamdaman ko yung leather, which is nakukuha ko dito sa limited edition. Okay. Yeah, man. Okay, ito yung CD rin. Ito yung limited edition. Go for this one instead. I couldn't tell a difference. As in, baka magkatalo na lang to sa performance, guys, no? Which is hindi pa natin matest. Hindi ko alam anong pinakaiba na itong dalawang to. Damn. Ang galing nyo, high touch, man. Although, I am a fan ng EDT version. So, aminin ko yun. So, not really a fan nung earlier batches ng Creed Aventus, which is more smoky and leathery. So I am a fan of the fruitier version ni Creed Aventus. But there are people out there na mas gusto nila yung earlier batch. There are a lot of people out there, and I suggest go for CD rin ng high touch. Hindi kayo magsisisi. But since again, hindi nga ako fan masyado ng pagka-leathery, smokiness, heavy na batches ng Aventus, I would give this 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. But I would still wear this one. Especially kung like formal events, man. Sobrang perfect ng scent profile na ganito.